Have you ever looked in the mirror and not recognized the person staring back? You see your face, but the light behind your eyes feels dim. It's not sadness or anger, just a quiet emptiness. You're doing everything you're supposed to, but you feel disconnected, like you're watching your life from afar. This emptiness is a common, rarely spoken human experience. It's the feeling of having everything and nothing at once. On the outside, life looks perfect. Job, family, home. Yet, something's missing beneath the surface. We try to silence it, getting busier, scrolling, numbing out. But the ache for meaning and connection lingers. We wonder, what's wrong with me? Why do I feel this way? Shame piles on, making it heavier. But what if this emptiness is an invitation, not a failure? Maybe it's a signal you're ready for something more. It's not a breakdown, it's a breakthrough waiting to happen. The emptiness is the space between who you were and who you're becoming. It's a sacred pause, a call to come home to yourself. This is the beginning of a courageous journey back to you. Emptiness isn't a void to fear, it's a message to decode. It's your intuition whispering, finally loud enough to be heard. For so long, you've lived by shoulds. Get the promotion, buy the house, look a certain way. But your soul is hungry for meaning, not just survival. This feeling is a catalyst for growth, a sign you're ready to shed an old skin. Growth means stepping into the unknown, even when it's uncomfortable. Emptiness is fertile ground for new possibilities. It's not failure, it's proof you're evolving. Maybe this emptiness is spiritual hunger. Quick fixes and validation leave you craving something real. Your soul wants purpose, passion, and authentic connection. Instead of running, what if you leaned in and asked, "What are you here to teach me?" In that vulnerable space, wisdom emerges. Emptiness is a wise teacher, guiding you back to your path. Life changes rarely arrive with a bang. They come quietly, like the shift of seasons. There's a liminal space where the old hasn't ended and the new hasn't begun. It's the quiet before the dawn, a muted, gray stretch of days. You go through the motions, but everything feels faded. These moments of longing and restlessness are messages from your soul. Like a caterpillar in a chrysalis, transformation happens in the quiet. You may feel like you're dissolving, but it's necessary for growth. Trust the messy, uncertain middle. This is a sacred incubation period, time for rest and reflection. Don't force answers. Be gentle with yourself. Let questions surface without needing immediate solutions. Trust that something beautiful is forming in the dark. The dawn is coming. The quiet is the deep breath before your new song begins. They clear out what no longer belongs, making space for what does. These questions are acts of self-love. They're the beginning of the conversation that leads you home. Purpose isn't something you find, it's something you remember. It's already inside you, buried under expectations and fears. The journey to purpose is a gentle excavation, not a frantic search. Think back to childhood. What made you lose track of time? Those passions are clues to your authentic self. Your purpose is often a grown-up version of what you loved as a child. Your pain holds clues too. Wounds become strengths, mess becomes message. The struggles you've faced are your training ground. Your story isn't random, it's a curriculum designed for you. The work isn't to invent purpose, but to reconnect with the threads running through your life. Look back, connect the dots, and see the pattern. You're not finding your purpose, you're finally claiming it. As you excavate, look for these 3 clues to your purpose. First, what breaks your heart? The pain you feel is a compass. Don't turn away, turn toward it. Second, what gives you energy? Notice what makes you feel alive and in flow. Your energy is feedback. Follow it to your passions. Third, what do people seek you out for? The gifts others see in you are often your unique genius. You may think, anyone can do that, but they can't. These are the ways you naturally serve others. Your heartbreak, your energy, and your natural gifts are powerful clues. Pay attention to them. They point you toward your larger purpose. Purpose isn't a formula. It's a process of listening deeply to your own life. Use these clues as signposts. Let them guide you. Your path is waiting. Uncovering your purpose is one thing. Living it is another. The gap between who you are and who you want to be can feel overwhelming. We wait for the perfect moment, but courage is about small, brave steps. Begin with one action today. Write, volunteer, create. Each small step is a vote for the person you want to become. This journey isn't about perfection, but practice. Some days you'll feel inspired, others, lost. Both are part of the path. The goal isn't to feel purposeful every moment, but to keep returning to the path. Be compassionate with yourself and celebrate small wins. You build your new life one step at a time. The emptiness was not the end. It was the blank page for your next chapter. It's an invitation to a deeper, more authentic life. The world needs your unique gift. Your story is still being written. The emptiness was a womb. Something new is ready to be born. Have the courage to begin.